Hello, today I want to talk about List Infinity Review for how to quickly build an email list online and earn 100% affiliate commissions. But before we do that, watch this video all the way through to the end and then come back and look around and look at some of the other videos on my site. They talk about different ways to make money online, and I review the strategies that I use in my online business and the software and programs that I use as well. But let's jump into this List Infinity review and overview, and we're going to talk about several things. First, we're going to talk about the different types of levels that you'll find inside of List Infinity, where I'm going to show you examples of the free opt-in lead capture pages that you get to use as part of List Infinity to build your email list, and then how you have the potential to earn 100% instant commissions. Those are paid instantly, you don't have to wait, and you receive all of that commission. And then there's also some other ways to make additional affiliate commissions with List Infinity as well. And so make sure you watch all the way to the end of the video, because we're going to show you proof that this does work. I have earned with this and continue to earn and plan on making this an integral part of my online business. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. Let me show you. This is the List Infinity sales page. We'll come back to that in a second. What I first want to do is let's go down and talk about the types of levels inside of List Infinity. Now, one of the great things about List Infinity is that they are constantly updating the system. They're refining it. They're making it work better. When it first started, you could only had a free account or a pro $100 account. And then they added a starter $10 account. And so if we go back here right now, this is the current setup. You can have a free account. You can have a starter account, which is a one-time $10 payment, and then you can have a pro account, which is a $100 one-time payment. And I do want to point out that, and stress, these are one-time payments, which is huge. These are not monthly ongoing payments. They're not annual payments. They're just one-time payments, which is actually great, because there's a lot of systems you have to pay monthly, and you have to continue paying monthly in order to earn. With List Infinity, you do the one-time payment, and you can earn ongoing. Now, we just got an email that came out that said they are going to be upgrading and adding some new levels. So this is what should be coming out soon. It's not reflected on the sales page yet, but it probably will be in the next few days or next week, according to the email. And so they're still going to have the free account. The starter level will go to a $25 one-time payment. They're adding an advanced $50 one-time payment level, and then they'll continue with the pro 100-time one-time payment level. So let's jump into how do you earn 100% access instant commissions. We're going to go back to the lead capture pages in a few minutes, but since we're talking about these levels, it makes sense to talk about those. I'm going to talk about it right now, I guess, because things are going to change. Let's talk about how these payments work. So again, these are just one-time payments to join at any of these levels, starter, advanced, or pro. Now, you can only earn commissions for the level that you are currently at or any lower levels. So for example, if you decide, and this is what I did, I didn't want to miss out on any commission, so I jumped in at the pro right off the bat. And I paid $100. It was a one-time payment. To me, that was a no-brainer. It was not an ongoing subscription or payments I had to keep making. It's one time. So for me, it made sense. Now, if I help people start and they join at the starter level, then I earn that $25 commission. If they start at the advanced level, I make that $50 commission. And if they join at the pro, I make the $100 commission. So I make money no matter what level anybody starts at in List Infinity. The difference is, let's say you start at the advanced, okay? And if that's what you can afford, I think there's no problem with that. Go ahead. Do what you can afford. Do what makes sense for you. The only issue you have to keep in mind is that if you help someone get started and they join at the starter level, then you do earn that $25 payment. And if someone joins at the advanced level, which is where you're at, you also make that $50 commission. But if you help somebody get started and they join at the $100 level, the pro level, you do not. So let me repeat that. You do not get that $100 payment, that will actually go up or pass up to your sponsor, whoever helped you get started. And so potentially you could miss out on some payments. So like say, for example, if you join at the starter level because you just want to, test it out and try it out and see if it works, and that's what you can afford, then that's fine. There's no issue with that. Join where you are able to. Just keep in mind, if you help somebody get started and they decide they're going to jump in at the advanced level, you will not get that $50 commission. Or if someone joins at the pro level, you will not get that $100 commission. These advanced $50 and pro $100 commissions will get passed up to your sponsor. Now you can upgrade. So if you join at starter and you want to upgrade to advanced or pro, you can do that, and then you'll start making those commissions going forward as well. So I hope that explains it. But the beauty is these are one-time payments to join. They're one-time upgrade payments if you start at a lower level and want to upgrade. And they're one-time payments. And that gives you the ability to earn 100% instant commissions, and we're going to see proof of that at the end, so keep watching. Now, you have ways to make additional affiliate commissions as well. I'm going to jump into, this is my ListInfinity membership area dashboard. You can see this is my sponsor. I am at the pro level. Once you join ListInfinity, they have a very complete and extensive system setup. It's easy to do. You will need an email autoresponder in order to capture your email leads. And so they recommend Aweber or GetResponse, which are both great options. I think Aweber integrates better with ListInfinity, so I would maybe recommend them, because once you go to import your email campaign, it is super easy to import this, because ListInfinity is going to give you a 30-day follow-up email campaign. So if people join at the free level, they're going to get 30 days of emails that are sent to them automatically from your autoresponder, trying to help them upgrade so you can earn a commission. And so you definitely want to make sure you import the email campaign, and it is super easy with Aweber. You're going to need to set up your payment processor so you can collect those 100% commissions. They integrate with PayPal and Stripe, so you could use either of those. And that's important because when someone joins, they're not paying ListInfinity, they're paying you. They pay you directly, okay? And that's why it's 100%, and that's why it's instant, because that payment goes into your PayPal or your Stripe account. Now, they have other income streams that you can activate as well. So you put your affiliate links in here. So you can see these are my affiliate links for ClickMagick, Leadsly, Udemy, Aweber, and I'm getting these affiliate links set up, so I should be getting those added here shortly. Add your tracking pixels if you have those. And now we're going to, I talked about ListInfinity gives you free opt-in lead capture pages to use, and that's what we're going to look at now. If you go there here, you can see they have 15 that you can use. You can use one, you can use multiple, you can use as many as you want. And they're all pretty nice. I mean, they really are pretty good looking, straight to the point. And so if someone inputs their email address and clicks send me the video, then they're going to be taken to the ListInfinity sales page where they can create a free account with ListInfinity. And then after they create their free account, they'll have the option to upgrade to one of the paid levels. So, but these are nice opt-in pages. This is their newest one they just offered. And if you go back, you can see they have some really simple ones if you prefer those. Some with just static images in the background. So you choose the ones you like and use those. Now here, sponsor recommended, you're able to add in your own affiliate offers as well. So these are things that my sponsor recommends, and so he could earn additional commissions from these, and that's what we talked about here on number 4. So we're talking about how to make additional affiliate commissions within ListInfinity, and so you can add your own here. And then also, if you're a pro member, if people decide to buy solo ads from Udemy and click on this banner ad, that is your affiliate link. And the same thing with ClickMagick and Aweber, and so you can earn commissions from these companies. And these are things that are talked about throughout the training, okay? And so there's good likelihood that you can earn some additional commissions from these companies. Now, they do have some great training as well. They have a nice Facebook marketing training plan, and they have lots of promotional tools to use on Facebook, either for direct posts or groups. So they provide you with lots of training materials and photos and banner images to use. They have some really great solo ad training, which is a really good traffic method for this type of program, as well as recommended solo ad vendors to use. And then here is, so now we're going to talk a little bit about proof, okay? Proof that ListInfinity works. If you go to your referrals, that'll give everybody by name. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to expose their name. But this is a good overview in the statistics section. You can see I've had at least 303 clicks to my ListInfinity link. So 1 out of every 3 is opting in. More than that, actually. So it's a pretty good opt-in rate when you look at that. And I've had 3 sales. Now, let's just jump over here real quick. Leads up. So 1 out of every 5th lead will get passed up to your sponsor. And that's why they call it a viral list building system. And so, you will get 4 leads, and then the 5th one will go up to your sponsor. You'll get 4 again, and the 5th one will go up. And so people are, we're all helping each other essentially build our email list. Now, I've had 3 sales, all pro, $100. A couple of them actually did the starter and upgraded. And so I joined at the pro level, so it cost me $100. I've made $300 back already, so I'm in profit of $200. And this will definitely be something that I continue to promote in my online business because it has tons of potential, and because these are just, as we talked about, one-time payment to join. One-time payment. So I paid $100 one time to get started with ListInfinity, and now I can make these commissions on and on and on, and I don't have to keep paying ListInfinity. I just do my one-time payment. So I hope this helps. I hope it gives you a good overview. If you have any questions, please leave questions in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. I hope it helped. And also, please subscribe so you can get new video content as I put it out. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you have a great day.